Guys, my name is Satyam and welcome to the people of YouTube to my first YouTube video. I'll be talking about a YouTube MP3 player I made and also give an overview of what the idea behind this channel actually is. So let's get right into what the app exactly is. So let's talk about the app right now. I have it on my phone over here and I'm recording from my webcam, which is not great quality, but who's gonna watch this YouTube video anyway? I hope many people do. Okay, let's enter the app. So there are two options when you come to the home page. There is the playlist view and there's the video view. Right now we'll opt to go to the playlist view, and over here all the YouTube videos in a certain playlist on YouTube come over here, and then you can play each song selectively or bounce back onto another songs using the forward and backward button. So if I play this Indian song which I like, I can also go forward and play another Indian song that I also like. And one thing I added by myself, it was actually a mistake, but it's this mute button which also turns into a skull when it's muted, and I had the idea and I did it. You can also loop a certain song and change the volume, which is not dependent on your default music volume. So that's an addition. And also the collapsible menu, which I really found really pleasant, because it takes all this junk away and makes this look more appealing, even though it doesn't look that appealing, but it still does make it look appealing. Now let's enter the video portion of this. So you of course need a different URL to get to the video portion, so let's just do that. So this is a recent song I've been listening to a lot. It's a Hindi song. That is not what it is. Wait, I think I need to paste it. Yeah, this one. It's called this Jaan Ban Gaye. That's like the credits and everything. So let's play that. And the reason I added this slider was because of this song. So I added it so it would so I could skip to a certain portion that I really like. Let's play that. So for some reason it's really slow. I think it's the internet. So the Wi-Fi router is there. This is what I do. I know it's not like the okay, so I think it's just the play button. Yeah. So this is the portion. It's nice. It's a nice song. Let's stop. But yeah, that's, you can change the position at where the music starts when you want to, and yeah, that's about it for this section. And let's talk about the code. So before we talk about the code, I want to give some thank yous to some sources, even though they're probably not watching this video. But the first one would go to a GitHub Expo project that was about this project, the media player. That's where I really leached off a lot of the code from, because I didn't know how to program in React Native before I started this project. I started this project specifically for this app idea I had, and I needed this app, so I just made an app. I needed this app, so I just made this app, and I used sources to help me make this app. Okay, so yeah, so this is the code I used from Kruzak, and his code really helped me make the user interface, the functioning of the user interface. Now let's talk about another. This is like the skeleton of this project. This was the one I did the most research on, which took me one day, to be honest. But it's the API which turns the MP4 video into an MP3. So if you type in any YouTube ID video, it gives you a URL to the song. This isn't a song actually. This is a fake. This is not the right one because I didn't put a YouTube ID, a proper YouTube ID over here. But that's the API I used for that. Now this guy, this is a YouTube channel by the Net Ninja. So his channel is really good if you want to learn how to code in React Native. So this helped me make the stack Navigator, which is also the three tabs that I used in the app: the home page, the music, the video, and the playlist sections. Now let's talk about the Flatlist. So this is how I loaded all the songs up, and I used Flatlist for that. And this is also by the Net Ninja. Let's talk about the collapsible menu I made, and that is using the help of uh, GitHub repros page by the name of Oblador, and he made this collapsible menu that I used for my app. And those are the credits in a nutshell. I also used I did some research, but these are the ones that I used. Let's also talk about the code now. So let's open up the code. That is using the help of uh, GitHub repros page by the name of Oblador, and he made this collapsible menu that I used for my app. And those are the credits in a nutshell. I also used I did some research, but these are the ones that I used. Let's also talk about the code now. So let's open up the code. So here we have the juicy stuff, the code itself, and this is how I made it. So one of this is not supposed to be here. I think this, the import music. By music, I didn't use that page, but this is how I used React navigation stack. That's one of the imports, and I created this page where it stacked all the navigators, and the top one was home, which was our main page. Let's talk about home. So what the home page does in a nutshell is that it takes the URL, it takes out the video section, it pastes it inside the API, it gets the video URL, the Mp3 URL, and it plays it to the person. So the homepage, what the homepage did was that it took the YouTube video. Okay, it took that YouTube video, took the ID, and then it just passed it on to the next page. And if you talk about the video part of this, what this code really does is that this is all the playing stuff. I'll put the code in the description below to a GitHub repository, GitHub page, and you can check it out from there. I won't go through all of it, but in a nutshell, what video.js did was that it took that ID, it fetched the URL, it played it. And then let's talk about the playlist one was the most complicated one, to be honest. So what the playlist one did was that it took the code, it first, so from the homepage, it got the URL, got the ID of the playlist, it went to a YouTube API, the actual one, and then it got all the videos from the playlist, it put that together, and it forwarded that list to our playlist.js. The playlist.js got that list and had the list of all the songs in that playlist, and it took the ID of each one, indexed it, and put it in. So whenever someone pressed on that song, it would play it would fetch it from the API the way the video.js did it, and it would play it. I'm gonna actually put a Venn diagram type or a spider diagram thing to explain it better in the video. I really confused myself in this one. So that's what the code in a nutshell is. I'll put it in the description so you guys can take a look at it and also use it if you want to. Okay, so my school is starting tomorrow. That is why I haven't finished the app completely, but I've got the basics done. Yeah. So the next time I'll work on this is a long time back. What I'll fix the next time would be that I will add a play and pause thing in when the phone is locked. So when you open it, it's in the lock screen. Or I would also make it so that you can shuffle the song and do stuff with shuffling and stuff, and I would have also made it more aesthetic. So those are the three things I would fix if I had the time to. And I procrastinated a lot on making this YouTube video and also working on this project because I am working the night before my school starts officially, grade 11. So yeah, wish me luck for IB, and I'll edit this video. Something I completely forgot about to talk about is the future of this channel and what this channel exactly is. So this channel is basically a big debate in my head. I shouldn't turn that on. It's getting darker. So I'll finish filming right now. So yeah, I had a lot of debate in my brain if I should make a YouTube channel where I could share these ideas, and I was like, yeah, let's do it. But I'm a bit shy, so I was like, let's not do it. But so I procrastinated till the end, and my school starts tomorrow, and I did procrastinate a lot. We had orientation today, and I did procrastinate a lot on this project and on this too. So this is not my first project I've made. I've done other projects too, One of the projects include an Instagram breadth first search algorithm based app which makes connections between people, and helps you find more people from a specific person, which was really just made for me to get to know my crush better. And so my projects are majorly based on these stupid ideas that I have, and they're really stupid, to be honest, but they're useful. So this was the idea. I needed to play music from YouTube videos, and I couldn't play. That's why I made this app, the YouTube Mp3 player. So yeah, this is what it is, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Subscribe and follow my @ check the GitHub repository, and I'll learn how to say that word, and check it out, check the code and use it. It's free for you guys to use. Thank you.